Oh, that's a good one. Carl, what are you doing? I'm reading this week's funny pages. Can't you tell? I don't really know what you're reading, but the election is starting. What? The election? Yeah, the election of bird stuff. Bird election? Aren't elections in November? Yeah, usually. But they said they had it early this year due to some... I don't know. I don't watch the news. Well, I'd like to see who wins. I don't even know who the candidates are.
That desert, a harsh mistress, blazing sun, sweltering heat, and danger. It is here we find everyone's favorite duck.
Carl, what have you been watching? Nothing.
Good thing everyone's second favorite duck is also here, barely hanging on by a thread.
I don't know what you're watching, Carl, but I don't like it very much. Fine, I'll turn it off, Mr. Screwball. You're the Screwball.
For a single solitary morsel.
Welcome to Birdie and News! Starring me, Cherry, and me, Plantain the Toucan, with a huge beak. So as you probably know, people who watch the news, there's an election coming up. Mr. President and Mr. KFC are going to be running as presidents. Presidential debate type presidents. My beak is some sort of fruit. Elaborate on the beak being a fruit. My beak is some sort of fruit that grows in Costa Rica. That is very interesting news, Plantain. We should spread this all over the pictures and covers in newspapers. Yes, it will hit the movies and stuff. Yeah, the most important thing that ever happened was Plantain's beak being a fruit. Yeah. This is gonna be one screwy election. I'm Plantain. And I'm Cherry. As you can tell, we're here at the election right now. As you can tell, there's a huge crowd of birds present. I'm on television. Which is pretty awesome. Here we go, the election. We got Mr. President. Hey, I'm Mr. President. He's been our president for 10 years. Every year. It's about time we've had an election. You have to add about your foil today. Well, let's just say, I'm not a fan of him. He's kinda screwy. You heard that? He's kinda screwy. We got a screwball coming up. Hello, everybody! Ugh, you. I am Mr. KFC! I don't like this guy one bit. Who put you in the election, Bird Brain? Ooh, Bird Brain? Don't you think you're a little low in the food chain to be mouthing off? Yeah, I don't care. I'm a better president, in every single way. Oh, well, I've been the president for 10 years now. Yeah, you're a bit overdue, if you know what I'm saying. Guys, the election hasn't even started. My beak is a fruit. Yes, back to Plantain's beak being a fruit. So it's a... Could we not talk about your beak right now? This is an election. So, what will you do better in this election? I'm gonna make everyone have so much more fun. I'm gonna make everyone eat candy all the time. But candy's bad for your teeth. Yeah, but it tastes good. Think about the children. Okay, children can have candy, but we shouldn't, like, have a lot of candy all the time. It's not good for you. Yeah, but do I care? Do I look like I care? Citizens should be able to destroy and draw on property. And I can help Giggles overthrow the government and rule the world. What was that last part? Oh, nothing.
This election's gonna turn out excellent. Excellent, even.
Yes, mwahahaha, evil laughing sounds.
I can finally rule the world, and the world will be mine.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
This is not just about you. You know, I'm gonna rule the world too. Got that?
Well...
don't get all mad, okay? But, I'm also in this operation. It's not just you.
Yeah, that makes sense. I'll split the share.
Yeah, I'll own half of the world and you'll own the other half of the world.
Yeah. And then we can rule the universe!
Ah, that's an excellent idea. This guy isn't a president. He's a fraud. You heard me, he's 100% a fraud. I've been the president for 10 years now. How could I be a fraud? Well, I want you to. Yes. Now, Plantain, what is your reading on this? To be honest, I'm voting on Mr. President because he has president in his name. Me as well. I vote Mr. President. I vote him too. So do I. And me. And me. And me. I want to eat candy. Whoa, everybody so far is on your side. What? How is that possible? I don't know, but it happened. Ah, how's that, KFC? What does that even stand for? KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, Mr. President's gonna win. He's been our president for like 10 years. I agree. I don't know. What is up with that chicken? I don't know. He has a weird vibe. Just a bad vibe. I don't like him. Me neither. Now it's time for the wingspan check. And see who has a bigger wingspan. Starting with you. Very decent wingspan. Nice wings. Very majestic. Yeah, work those wings. Yeah, look at them wings. Those are amazing. Wow. Now for your wingspan. Ah, it's so big it's gonna knock you out. Your wings are tiny, sir. Come on. At this rate, you ain't winning.
Oh no! We're losing! Ah!
How is this possible? We tried to get the most crazy and weird president that could easily persuade people into voting for him.
It's impossible! He was supposed to win! Maybe I should put a trick into this.
And then we'll rule the world! What are extra comments of stuff you want to do? Well, as I mentioned earlier, I think everyone should eat candy all day long, all the time, destroy property, and use guns. Quite. Guns? Why? Self-defense. Totally. But all of those are not good acts. That's not good stuff to do. Yeah, but it's cool. Just because it's cool doesn't mean it's right. Everything that's cool is right, especially when I'm saying it. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? I don't know. Remember when I was a character? We don't care. Be right back. I need to go to the little president's room. Well, what do you have to say? Well, first thing I gotta say, the election isn't working.
Well, I could start using some of my tricks.
Like what tricks? We need some desperate stuff going on. I'm losing it.
What would be a great thing to do?
Maybe we should call somebody.
No, we already have one person, that's all we need. We just need to make Mr. President look bad.
How do you expect us to do that, Giggles?
I have several plans.
Please tell me them.
Gladly.
And that's why I should be president. Wow, that was a strong story. That was beautiful. Yes, this guy is perfect for being the president. And everyone gets their free rights. I'm back! What do you have to say for yourself now? Nothing. What's that? It's a leaf. What am I supposed to do with that? What do you mean what you're supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with this leaf? You don't know what you're supposed to do with that leaf? No. You're supposed to slip on it. Why would I slip on it? So you can look bad. What? You're trying to sabotage me? Yes, mwahaha. You're terrible at it. I'm gonna fight you myself. Wow! Oh, one heck of a fall. By the way, my beak is a plantain. Yeah. This election is taking quite a turn. Something seems strange. You know how he was trying to, the chicken dude was trying to sabotage Mr. President? Yeah. I feel like there was a reason for that. Like what? I think someone's behind him. I think there's somebody else here, like, running his side of the, election. But just failing miserably. Yeah, that's nice, Carl. It's true. Why oughta! Altoid? Thank you very much. Back to what I was doing. I oughta! Now it's time for a commercial break. A commercial break? No!
A commercial break? No!
Are you tired of eating boring old vegetables? Well, then I have the product for you. Introducing synthetic vegetables. Just like the real thing, but synthetic. Wow, wow, wow! And it's Curlew approved. You can eat synthetic vegetables all day long.
I like it. It tastes like plastic.
Exactly, plastic. That's the election. And now for a pee-wee break. Hey, easy on me. No, I will win this election if it's the last thing I do.
I can't get up. Ouch!
But I need to help Giggles overthrow the universe. What? Skittles is gonna overthrow the, no, not Skittles. Giggles, yeah, Giggles is gonna overthrow the universe, ha 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 mwaha. If you're gonna take over the universe, you are immediately disqualified. Huh? I guess you are the president. Yeehaw! Get out, chicken! What? You failed? Yeah, I failed. That's the death despicable?
What?
Looks like Mr. President's gonna be our president for 10 more years. Yay!